This eyeliner lifts and awakens your eyes. If you've not worn eyeliner in a long time, this eyeliner is going to help you fall back in love with that beautiful defined eye look again. Open and lift with the cream side and define and sexify with the more deeper side. This creamy shade we're going to use first of all to open our eyes, perfect for the days when you feel tired and you feel that concealer isn't giving you enough of a boost. Run this along your lower waterline. It's going to make eyes look larger. I'm hoping you can see a little bit of difference on this eye. So now we're using the darker end, and this is smudge proof. If you like to have a little wing to your eyeliner, it's really easy to do. Put a little bit of product right on the corner here, drag that colour up. You can see just how easy that was to create a very subtle winged eyeliner look.